Hello, welcome back. I'm getting one error in a Migo while doing a goods receipt against the purchase order. So whenever you try to create a goods receipt against purchase order, upon checking system will not give any error, but as soon as you try to save or post, system will give you an error about the missing connection for your material in your plant about the material ledger. So this will be the error description. So it's showing that the connection for material with the plant and material ledger is not there, and the message number will be C plus 470. So I will try to solve this error. I don't know what will be the solution, but I'm just trying with the help of the community and we'll try to solve this. So I will create new session and then I will go to program in AC38T code and I will run this program. So fml underscore repair underscore ml for master data, then execute. So here source code is selected, execute, then provide your material number and plant number. So initially I will run it in test data, test run. So it is correcting one entry, then I will remove test run and I will run same report in order to correct the material missing data for this. So one posted here. Now I will go back and I will again try to post a goods receipt for this material and we'll see whether it is resolved. So this is now resolved and system giving me the different error. So this is how we solve this error in case you are getting this error. So you have to go into the program and you have to correct this material ledger connection. Why it was happening, actually you have created this material before activating the material ledger or some changes in material ledger. So if I go in mm03 and I check here, so usually in accounting view, uh, you will have this error because in accounting view you will not have this material ledger activated tick. So by using that program you activate this tick and then this error about C plus 240 about the material ledger discrepancy will get resolved. So this is the way we can solve this issue about material ledger or material not exist, material is not activated for this plant for material ledger. So thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.